tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Stories are always so interesting like us.
Where is he? I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
Today, the great book of nature is open at another chapter. Today, you're going to learn all about the ladybird.
There, that's done. Oh, there we are. This should grow well. Oh. It's growing right before my eyes. Oh. So beautiful. Might be better if I put in a support. Now, that's much better. Yes! Oh, look how many flowers. I'll have a ton of cucumbers. Yes! Woohoo! Yahoo! I can really grow things. Hooray! Hooray! Woohoo! This is the best I've ever done. Huh? What do you think you're doing, Mr. Ant? Stay away from my plants. The bees will ruin the flowers, and my cucumbers will never grow. Leave my plant alone! Buzz off! You're stealing the life! Right out of the flowers, you thieving bees! If you suck out all the nectar, the cucumbers will never grow! Cut it out! You understand? Little guy?
If we don't pollinate it, the plant will die.
You're trying to con me, huh?
Oh, you'll never understand.
Go on, get lost! Scatter, you swindlers! And if you come back, you'll get yours!
Get a good yield, huh?
Oh, great!
Yours will be better than mine.
Get out of here. You're the best farmer.
Yes, I must admit. Oh, very promising. What are we doing here? Have something to do with the bees, my friend?
Well, you hit the mark. I believe this is the perfect solution. Pure genius.
Good thinking. This hive will bring a ton of honey.
What? That's not a hive.
I know, not yet.
What put an idea like that in
It's
your head?
obvious they'll use the grill as a frame for the hive and store all the nectar they've gathered from the cucumber plants.
Huh?
Oh, there is nothing wrong with helping the bees to help themselves. Well, I have to run. Keep up the good work. Bye. Take care.
It's perfect. They'll never get through this. Hey! Go away! Nothing will get to my flowers now. I'm a genius, that's me.
Great, the dummy's asleep. Let's get these flowers pollinated. Ooh, that's one's done. On to the next.
Now what? What's going on over here? Get lost, you little monster! Leave my flowers alone! Why are the flowers wilting? What's wrong with them? Maybe they need more water. There, that should help. The perfect solution. My flowers are all dying. Oh, my poor flowers. What should I do? Stop! I wonder how the hares cucumbers are doing. I only have 2 flowers left. What have I done wrong? They're doing great. He's letting the bees pollinate. Why? Your cucumbers are doing great. There's so many of them.
Yes, they're coming along well. And how are yours doing?
Real bad. My flowers all wilted without turning to fruit. There's nothing I can do.
I don't understand. Didn't the bees do their work?
It's the bees that make the plants produce?
Of course. Look! This is a female plant, and this other one is a male plant. To yield fruit, the female must receive the pollen from the male. Clear?
Sure. Now it is. Thanks to the bees, the pollen passes from one plant to the other. How stupid I've been.
Why do you say that? You constructed a great hive for them. What more could you have done?
That grill served to keep the bees away.
What? That's crazy.
I made a big mistake.
To achieve whatever it is you want to accomplish, you must study and learn all it takes. You can't do it without learning
That's
first.
so true. I still have 2 flowers left. See you later!
All right. Don't chase away those bees anymore.
I assure you, I'll take away that grill and build the wonderful hide for them. Thanks, Mr. Hare.
Good day to ya, my friend.
Hooray! At least I've still got these two. Look how big they are. They're just wonderful.
I wonder why Big Brother isn't back yet.
Gotta hurry, or we'll be late for the train that's taking us to summer camp. Hurry! Hurry! Mount Boo awaits us! Lolo, come out and help me! Huh? Where in the world did he go off to? We have to be at the train station in just a few minutes. Lolo, where are you? Little brother! Darn that kid! I never saw anyone who manages to get himself into so much trouble. Golo!
I wonder where he is.
Golo!
Oh, there you are.
Look what finally crawled out of the woodwork. We gotta hurry, or we'll miss the train to Mount Boo. Where were you?
Actually, I was looking for you.
Well, don't just stand there like a bump on a log. Hurry, let's get everything ready. Come on, let's go. Whoops! Forgot to leave the trash.
Wait, I can't keep up with you.
Hurry up! If we're late, it's gonna be your fault.
Here I come, Big Brother.
We absolutely have to catch the bus to the train station. It's almost at the stop. Hey, look! It's not gonna wait for us. Come on! Hurry up! Run!
Oh, my poor legs.
What are you doing, little brother? Get up right now. We have to catch the bus. Come on! Hey, what are you waiting for? Come on, cross the road! Get over here, hurry! Watch the cars!
You tired of living, youngster? Look both ways before you cross the street.
But I...
What a great idea I had! This truck is heading right for the train station. We'll be in time after all.
What are you planning on doing once we reach Mount Boo?
I'm gonna take the cooking classes. I'm gonna learn how to make the best vegetable soup in the world.
You want to be a cook, huh?
Yeah, no doubt about it. No doubt about it at all.
Oh, I admire you, Big Brother. You're already so sure about what you want to do with the rest of your life. I think that's just terrific. As for me, I don't have the slightest idea of what I want to do when I'm all grown up.
There's plenty of time.
Oh, didn't we just pass the train station?
Oh, no! We're going away from it! We've got to go back! Stop! Stop! Stop the truck! We have to get off!
Well, are we there yet? Did we make it in time for the train?
Ah, don't ask stupid questions. Stop the truck!
Ugh.
Don't look back. Just walk away. As though we just happened to be passing by, okay?
Just a minute, boys.
Heck.
What do you mean, sneaking onto my truck like that? Huh? Don't you realize something serious might have happened to you?
I'm very sorry, sir. We're late for our train and...
Next time, just ask politely for a ride.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
How come we don't see any of our classmates? You didn't get the time wrong, did you?
Of course not. Uh-oh. That must be the 3 o'clock train. Hurry, 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 hurry. We have to catch the train. Let us
Where
go,
do you
please.
think you're going?
We're going to summer camp.
Sorry, train's about to pull out of the station. There's no boarding once it's in movement.
Oh, Big Brother, we've missed the train for summer camp.
Ah, quit that sniveling and let's go. We're gonna get ourselves on that train.
Can we? It's so late.
Come on. We're gonna run after that train, catch up with it, and board it. We can't just stand here like a couple of fatheads while all our friends go off to summer camp.
Hey!
Wait!
Well, look at those two kids. Are you two trying to get yourselves killed?
Hurry! Hurry!
Well, well, look who's here if it isn't Gulu. Now, you were supposed to be on board that train that leaves here 2:50, but you couldn't get yourselves here on time. Now, could you lazy bones?
No, sir. We were supposed to catch the train that leaves the station 50 minutes after the one that leaves at 2:50.
In other words, the 3 o'clock train. The one that just pulled out.
Are you talking about the 3:02 train that goes down to the kids' summer camp on the shores of Lake Hasalatka?
Huh? No, sir. The 3 o'clock train that goes to Mount Boo.
Mount Boo. Now, are you saying you figured 2:50 plus 50 minutes had come out to be 3 o'clock?
Sure,
That's the dumbest thing I ever heard. Now, I can understand your little brother not knowing. He's just in first grade, but you're in 4th grade. How could you have made a stupid mistake like that? What in the world made you think there were 100 minutes in an hour, Gulu?
well, they're 100 inches to the gallon and 100 ounces to the mile or something.
You're a trifle off on those measurements as well, but even if they were right, there's no logical reason to use them to measure time. Get it?
Well, how do you measure it, Mr. Station Master?
All right, listen. A day has 24 hours, and every hour has 60 minutes. Now, a minute has 60 seconds. The skinniest and quickest movement of the 3 hands makes a complete circle around the clock every minute. All right, think it over and recalculate the departure time of your train.
Huh? That means our train leaves at 3:40. What a dummy I
You
am.
could have caused a very serious accident, Gulu, putting the lives of other people in jeopardy just because you never learned to tell the time. Shame on you at your age.
I really goofed terribly by not paying attention and not learning something that isn't all that hard. Worst of all, I made my brother suffer for my mistakes. I'm sorry, little brother.
Hey, now you can teach me how to tell the time, too.
Okay.
Just a minute there, Gulu. I want you to promise me that in the future you'll always pay close attention to everything your school teacher tells you, and that you'll always do your homework. It's the only way you'll ever amount to anything and avoid silly mistakes like the one you made today.
I've learned my lesson.
The 3:40 train from Mount Boo is now leaving from track 3.
Well, son, that's your train, the one you were so head up about. Go on.
Oh boy, Boo Boo, here we come!
The ladybird. How is the ladybird classified in the animal kingdom? The ladybird is an insect belonging to the Coleoptera order and to the Coccinellidae family. It has a very distinctive look with a rounded body and bright coloring, red or yellow with black spots. How many species are there and where do they live? There are some 4,600 ladybird species in the world. One of the most common is the seven-spot ladybird, which is red and has 7 black spots. How do they live? Ladybirds are usually solitary creatures, but on occasion it's possible to see them in small swarms. This seems to happen especially when they're about to hibernate in either very hot or very cold weather. How does it move? Fully grown ladybirds fly quite quickly, while their grubs, which look like small black caterpillars, walk along plant stalks in search of food. What do they eat? The primary diet for grubs and mature ladybirds is aphids. An adult will eat anywhere from 90 to 240 in a single day. How do they protect themselves? They have 2 defense systems. The first is to play dead, falling into the vegetation in the face of a sudden attack. The second is to emit, when threatened, a disgusting substance with an acrid odor which makes them uneatable. How do they relate to people? Very well. Ladybirds eat aphids, which are agriculture's most destructive insects. For this reason, ladybirds are raised all over the world and distributed to farmers who need them. Can they live in the city? Yes, in fact, it's quite common to see them flying in built-up areas.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that when you learn your lessons well, life is easier for you. Oh, look who's coming!